how will all of these overnight cues impact our own markets. We have our research team joining in with how the trade setup looks like, the stocks that are likely to be in the news, and of course the FNO side of things as well. Now, I'll tell you what you need to watch out for when it comes to the trade setup today. When it's been 8 days of gains now for the index, and the Nifty ending close to a record high yesterday. We crossed that mark of 25,000, almost came to a record closing high, but still remain around 70 points away from that all-time high of 25,078 that the Nifty needs to track at it in today's session as well. But the bigger part is the Nifty Bank, and that has been the key index that we've been laying a lot of emphasis on as well. You see, it's neither here nor there situation for the Nifty Bank. It closed above 51,000, but it could not sustain above that very important level of 51,250, which it needs to close above for a further up move. But it still continues to remain above the 20-day moving average, and that is a positive for the Nifty Bank. And the index will remain in focus today as well, because it's the financial services expiry today. So that will keep the Nifty Bank in focus as well. Now, yesterday, well, after the speech from Jerome Powell on Friday, it was expected that rate sensitives will do well, and so they did. The metals index was up. It was the top sectoral gainer yesterday. Real estate, IT, all of them contributing to the gains. The IT index continuing to build on after it hit a record high last week as well, and some commentary coming in on these IT stocks as well. So it'll be interesting to see if these continue to move higher as well. There were a lot of other factors that led to the metals rally yesterday, but then of course we'll keep an eye out on what happens in today's session. But there are some questions that needs to be asked as well. Now, are the bulls hesitant to take the Nifty past that record high ahead of the expiry session? Because there are a lot of other factors that are in focus as well. Can Reliance take Nifty past the record high, sans the banks ahead of its AGM? That is another important question. Nvidia's results come in tomorrow. How will that have a bearing on the markets as well? And does the Nifty Bank, of course, have enough legs to take it past 51,500? Some important things to watch out for today is the Premier Energy's IPO that opens today, whether block deals continue or not. A lot in focus in today's session. But moving across to Abhishek now, who will list out the stocks that you need to watch out for in today's trade. Abhishek, good morning. What's on your list?
Well, Homas, good morning to you too. Ultratech Cement, they have raised about 500 millions via, sustainability-linked financing. GPT Infra, they have launched a QIP. The price has been set at 183.83 per share. Now, they have an issue size which has a base deal size of 150 crore and a green shoe option of 25 crore. So, total fundraising would be around 175 crore. Medi-Assist, their arm Medi-Assist Insurance will acquire 100% in Paramount Health for a consideration of 311.8 crores. Mazgaon Dock, they have extended Sanjeev Singhal's additional charge as CMD by 5 months with effect from August 1st. Lemon Tree Hotels, they have signed an agreement for 80 rooms in Ayodhya. SEL Tech, they have extended their agreement with Xerox for driving innovative with reference to artificial intelligence and digital engineering. Bondada Engineering, they have won an order worth 576 crores. Paras Defense, they will hold a board meeting to mull consideration of fundraising via QIP. AGM today, Maruti, Indusind as well as UPL. Back to you.
Abhishek, thanks a lot for that update. And over to Sudarshan now, who joins in with cues from the FNO space. Sudarshan, good morning. What's the setup looking like there?
Morning, Harma. So it was a good day of trade yesterday. We saw Nifty reclaiming the level of 25,000 for the first time since August 1. But at the end, it missed record close by a whisker, that is by 0.3 points. But for today, GIFT Nifty is indicating a start with minor cuts, tracking geopolitical tensions and rise in commodities. Now, shifting focus to institutional activities, we continue to see buying by both FIs and DIs. FIs bought shares of almost rupees 500 crore, while buy figure by DIs was almost rupees 1,900 crore. If we talk about this month so far, DI's buy figure is now almost 50,000 crore, and they have bought in 16 of total 17 sessions this month. In the index futures, total net buy was almost 3,100 crore, with buy figure in Nifty was 1,400 crore, and the same level was for Nifty Bank. And with this, long contract exposure has increased to 55%, which is highest in last 3 weeks. Coming to the options front, we saw major activities in 25,050 call and 25,100 call, and on the put side, major activities were seen in 25,000 and 24,900. With this, important levels for Nifty, support is now seen somewhere around 24,900, which is previous day's low, and resistance is seen above the record high, that is 25,078.3. Lastly, stocks in the focus, there are 8 stocks in the band as of now, but out of band, there are 5 stocks: GNFC, Granules, Hind Copper, Nalco and Sun TV. And besides these stocks, stocks, keep a focus on some of those stocks that might react to geopolitical tensions or rise in commodities, and those might be ONGC, Vedanta and Britannia.
Staggering numbers there on the DII front. Sudarshan, thanks a lot for that update.